Hey guys, Emily here at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change, rig-ready Rams, and now we buy your Ram. This is a 2019 GMC Sierra 1500, and it is a Denali, so let's go check it out. Up at the front of this one, you do have this beautiful chrome grille. You're also going to have the color-matched bumpers on this one with your chrome tow hooks, and your bumpers do have the built-in park sensors, LED headlights, and fog lights on this one. And then lifting up the hood, you're gonna have your 6.2 liter V8 engine. This one does have a 6-inch lift. It's also sitting on 22-inch wheels. You have the heated mirrors on this one. You're also going to have one of the cameras for one of your 360 cameras. You're gonna have your wheel-to-wheel running boards on this one, and then of course the chrome door handles with the keyless entry. Coming into the back, you have your color match bumper. It does have the built-in park sensors, all set up for towing, 4 and 7 pin wiring with a hitch receiver. This one is a multi-function tailgate. It is soft drop as well. You have this lovely spray and bed liner right from factory on this one. You're also gonna have some LED bed lighting as well as a hookup in the truck, but now we're gonna take a look inside. Up in the front of this one, you do have your black leather seats. They are heated and cooled. Lots of storage throughout the truck. You have a super large center console, and you're gonna have this piece that comes in and out for some extra organization. You're also going to have a USB, USB-C, an aux plug-in, and an SD card reader in here. 2 cup holders right here as well. You're gonna have 2 cup holders right here, and then a wireless charging pad with some additional storage. And then this one does come equipped with dual glove boxes. You have a touch screen on this one, and it comes equipped with navigation and Bluetooth. And then you also have the option to control all of your climate settings on the screen. This one does have dual climate control. Coming down a little bit lower, you have again your dual climate control buttons down here. You're also going to have the buttons for your heated and cooled seats as well as your heated steering wheel. This one does have your lane keep assist. You have the option to turn on and off those park sensors. You have an auto dropping tailgate as well. Then you're also going to have your hill descent control. And then this is the button to turn on all of your charging options. So you're gonna have 115 volt right here, 12 volt right here, and then a USB and a USB-C. So everybody's covered, lots of places to charge in the truck. Then you're also gonna have that built-in trailer brake control as well. Coming onto the actual steering wheel itself, it is leather wrapped and it is heated. You're going to have all of your Bluetooth controls on here as well as your cruise controls, and this one does have your forward collision warning on it as well. Memory seats on this one, and then of course you have your power locks, power windows, and power mirrors. Coming up here, you do have a little bit more storage. Up on your mirror here is auto dimming, and it also is going to show you your backup camera when the truck is in reverse. Universal garage door opener right up here, as well as that power sliding rear window, and then of course all of the controls for your sunroof. But now we're gonna finish up in the back seat. In the back of this truck, guys, as you can see, there is tons of legroom back here for your passengers. The nice thing about these trucks, they don't have that little hump in the middle here, so your passenger sitting in the middle is still going to have a lot of legroom. These seats are heated back here as well. The buttons for those are just right here, and you can turn them on to high, medium, or low. You're also going to have some charging options for your passengers back here. So you have a 12 volt plug-in, a USB, and a USB-C. And then they also do have the option to control their own airflow. This does fold out. It has 2 cup holders in it, which is super handy. And then in the actual seats themselves, there is a little bit of storage, which is super cool. More storage throughout the truck, of course, in the back of both of your seat pockets and then in your door. Really nice all-weather floor mats on this one as well. And then your seats do fold up in a 40-60 split on this one. When they're folded up, tons of room back here, great for groceries, any pets, or any sporting equipment. If you want to make this truck yours, you can click the link below for pictures and pricing, or you can give us a shout, 780-942-3629.